Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you how to buy Connect on Upwork. You need Connect to apply for jobs. When I started out as a new freelancer, I applied for a lot of jobs. Yes, and I used Connect. So definitely, if you do not know how to buy Connect, yes, this video is for you. I'll show you every step. There are three different ways you can buy Connect. You can choose any one of them. That's if you're not probably seeing any of the features or any one of the features, you can choose another one. But I will show you every step. If you are among those people that usually listen to those people that would say Upwork is saturated, right? And you probably not get a lot of jobs, you not get any job, you not get this. Because I've seen a lot of people saying, oh, I spent so years not getting job, I spent so. You are definitely doing something wrong. Yes, you are doing something wrong. And this channel is for you. I usually show you everything you need to know about Upwork, what to do, what not to do to get jobs. I started Upwork in I think 2022 or so. I can't really remember the year, but I got my first client that same year. And it's not because I don't listen. I see people's comments. Oh, I don't get job. But it's not because of that. I took a different step to go and watch people's video and see what they are doing right. And this channel is for you. Like I said, watch everything you need to know about Upwork, and trust me, you will get that gig. Well, anyways, let's get to what I am to show you today, how to buy Connect. But first, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please and please and please and please, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe, follow, and share with other people. Let them see that Upwork is not a joke. I mean, people are literally earning on Upwork. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that this page is what you are literally seeing now. That's you go to Upwork and find work, and you should be on this page. So then you go to the right, right? You can see connect here. You can see I have 11 connects. I don't have much connect, but I'm going to be buying connect. So I'll show you how I'm literally going to buy connect of over 250 connects. Yes. So when you go to the right, you see connect here. You see this arrow, you click on it, and you can see view details, buy connect. You click on buy connect. Yeah, I need to take you to this place, and you can see that your available connect is 11. Select the amount you want to buy. You click here and you can see different amounts you want to buy. Okay, it's not showing. You can also see your account will be charged 1.5. That's if I am choosing 10. This is it. So let's select the amount that I want to buy. Yeah, so you can see 10 for 1.50, 20 for. Apart from this, they're still going to take their tax. Well, their tax is quite little, but at the end of it, they'll tell you what their tax is, and you see the total amount that you are actually supposed to pay. So you can see 20, 40, 60. You can also even customize your amount. If you want 1,000 connect, 3,000, as much as you want, you can customize it. Then it will now show you your account to be charged, whatever your account is going to be charged here. And then you now see the total amount of connect you now have. And also you see the expiring date. And if you have a promo code, well, I have never gotten one promo code, but I don't know. Usually people get promo codes. I've seen on Twitter one time that somebody was actually dropping a free promo code that you can use, but I missed it. Sha. Or if you get any promo code, it will actually give you a discount that you would pay for Connect. Yes, so the second one you want to go to, that's if you don't actually, let me take go back to this place. If you don't actually see this here, future here, connect by your right, you don't see this future here by your right, you can as well just go to this place. This is your where your profile pic is, and click on it, and then you will see connect here. You can just go straight and then click connect. But also I will show you if you don't see this feature. So you can see connect here, and then you click on buy connect, and then it will still take you back to this place. Yeah, to still take you back to this place, and then you buy your connect. But also if you don't see that particular feature, what you do is that, let me go back, assuming you're still on this page, what you do is that you go to this place and go to your account setting. You click on account setting, and then you now see membership and connect. You click on membership and connect, and then you can now see that buy connect. You can now click on buy connect. So these are three ways you can buy connect. If you don't see those features, that's the first one. If you don't see the connect, buy connect. The second one, if you don't see, you can just well go to your settings, straight up to your setting, and then you can buy it there. So today I want to be buying connect. I've never bought this amount of connect, but I got a job, or I landed a gig, right, over 3 to 4 gigs in just a week. Let me show you guys. Yeah, so this is my financial overview, and you can see that I had all this work right in just a week. Available, yes, I was paid this, I did this. It was twice, it was paid, not just 100. I think 80 and then 40, I think something like that, which gave this. I had this also pending, which was released, I think also yesterday or so. And I have this in progress, which they'll be releasing today when I'm done with the work. I also have another one, right, coming, like about two coming. So you need connect to make sure that your profile is there. Apply for work, just do it as cheap as possible. If you can do $10, $5 work, do it. Did you get? Do it. It will help you build your profile to get there, because the moment your profile is 100% and you've done like a lot of job, it will bring more clients to you. But you need to sacrifice that beginning part. You need to sacrifice buying connect and applying for work. Do you get? So I'm going to be buying over, let me see the amount I want to buy. Well, I've not bought a lot of code. I think the highest I've got to bought is like, I don't even know. Let me check. The highest I've gotten, I think, is 15, right? Or 12. I can't, yeah, between this, that's 80 and 100. I think 80 is the highest I've gotten. But today, because I have money in my Upwork account, I want to get over 250. Yes, I want to get this because I mean I would definitely be applying for work and I would get in it because my profile is up there. So I need to save me having to convert Nigerian money to dollars. It's because I already have it in my account. So let me just use it to buy it. So I'll be buying 250 connect. So when I get the 250, you can see that they're going to charge me 37.50 plus tax. They have not mentioned the tax yet, but when I'm trying to buy connect here, they'll mention the tax. They'll tell me what the tax amount is. So your new connect balance will be 261, because I had 11 before, so 261, and it's going to expire in September 26th. How come? This connect to expire. Okay, yeah. 2025, that's a whole year. Yeah. I do not have a promo code, but I wish I had a promo code. I don't know. I don't know how this promo code works. I mean, like how to get it. Because I've seen like a couple of people get it, but I don't know. But I mean, I'll find out. I'll still tell you guys. So, 250, and then I'll click on buy connect. It then brings you to this page. It will bring you to this page, and you can now see that I have 107.10 dollars, and it says since you have enough money in your Upwork account, we will use it for this purchase. So if you don't have enough money, you would have to link your virtual card. Yes. So, and if you actually do not know how to create a virtual card, virtual dollar virtual card, right? You can follow this link by your right, top by your right. It will take you to where a video that will show you how to create a virtual dollar card to be able to link it. But as for me, I am not now using a virtual dollar card because I have enough amount of money. So I didn't mean I had zero or I had very little, which is not enough to buy even if it's 10 connect. They will have to deduct it from my virtual dollar card. Yes, but in this case, they're telling me that they're going to deduct it from my available balance because I have enough. So you can see that it shows my 37.50. That's the subtotal of 250 connects. But then they added their tax, which is 2.81, which is their tax. And the total amount I'm going to pay for this 250 connect is 40.31 or 40.31 dollars. So the next thing I want to do is I want to click on this buy connect. So I have actually bought I've actually bought the Connect. Yes. After clicking that, it's going to bring you to this page where you now see 261 Connect. So plus the 11 I had, because I bought 250 plus the 11 I had, which made it 261. Yeah, so you see your Connect balance has been updated. I now have 261 Connect. So this is how to buy Connect. Um you can see that, let's see, let me click on get paid and see my total amount now after they have removed their Connect. So you can see that my available balance is now $66.79. My Connect has gone through. I have seen it. So also, like I said, they deducted the money from my available balance. But if you do not have money in your available balance and you want to buy it from virtual dollar card, yes, what you need to do is you go to bills and payments, right? Bills and payment, and this is where you are going to add your billing method. This is where I have over three. Yeah, no, this is my MasterCard Nigeria, but I have two. So this one and this one. These are two virtual dollar cards that I have, and this is connected. So this is my primary. So you need to have a virtual dollar card. If you do not know how to create a virtual dollar card, you can check it out using the link just by your top right, which will appear now. Click it and then it will take you to a video where you'll be able to create a virtual dollar account, and then you now have to now connect it to this place where you add billing method, and you now can now connect it here, this place, and you can be able to buy your Connect. So I hope this video was very, very helpful. I hope it showed you everything you need to know. I hope you saw how I bought Connect and how my Connect was updated and everything. So I would advise you that if you're not following this channel, you need to follow this channel, turn on the notification button, subscribe and everything. I will be showing you everything about Upwork. Yes, everything about Upwork. How you can make your money on Upwork, what you need to do, what you don't need to do, things that you don't need to do, things that you need to do to actually boost your profile and make sure that you're there. Like I said, I had started Upwork in 2022, I think, and I got my first gig that same year. I mean, what you just need to do is make sure you're doing the right thing. You would get your gig. If you have your skills, your portfolio, everything is intact, you get your gig. I also have videos that are showing you how to create your portfolio, how to optimize your profile, and stuff like that. So those are things you should follow, and those are things that will help you. Do not, I repeat, do not listen to people who tell you Upwork is saturated. No, Upwork is not saturated. There's no job in this world that you tell me that is not saturated. Every job is saturated. All you need to do is to make sure that you're doing the right thing so that you actually get a right result. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.